Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to just do another what I call open pour. I'm going to be using primarily these four colors, and I'm going to paint this black. So today there is the titanium white. All of these are done by Master's Touch Acrylics, and I can put a link down below if you want to purchase them. And this one is a light blue, a light, let's see if you can see it, come on, a light olive green, and then the light magenta. I don't know why it's not wanting to pick it up. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside and let's get our cups ready. Now I already have my, as I said, I've already got my black all ready. So these are the ones that I'm going to pour into the cup. Okay, so our next step is just to add the black on this. We want to get the whole canvas saturated. So move it around. You can use your hands, you can use whatever you wish, just even it out. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make a big circle right in the middle. That's good enough. Put your cup right there, right in the middle of it. So let's start. What I'm gonna do is just kind of pour little by little right in the middle. Green. It's really clumpy. Great. Now it's going to want to move around. You can let it move, or if you want to keep it, try to keep it restrained. So every time you pour, hold it in one area. Don't let it move too much. Show you something also really cool with this too. Once I use up all these paints, for some reason it wants to Now with this, I did not add any silicone. Maybe I should have, but I forgot. Because I think, really honestly, it makes its own cells. So you really don't need it. Now add the green. Add the last of this white. Okay, now what I'm going to do, instead of having all of this right here, I'm going to take my black again, and I'm going to flush all this coloring out. So it's going to, as I said, it's going to kind of move. Just kind of let it go. You want to help it go to a side. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. Give it a go. Oh, that is really cool. On the side, doing this one. Yes, my doggy. Down this way. And just a little bit more. There we go. Awesome. I'll try to pop this bubble real quick. Oh. Right, and there she be. So I'm gonna bring you in for a close-up. Hold on. Just do this